Assalamualaikum, this is me Anarif Mangat, and today I am going to review some products from one of my very favorite and talented person, that is अरीबा ज़हरा। और मैं उनके इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट का लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी, so that if you want to purchase these beautiful face masks you can। तो जी सबसे पहले she sent me this face mask। इट कम्स विद दिस रॉ सिल्क कपड़ा, जो कि आप देख सकते हैं। दिस इज अ वेरी 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 फाइन क्लॉथ और उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे वे में इसे बनाया हुआ है विथ स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्रिप। और लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट। So this is how you can actually flaunt the beautiful mask, and you can दिस इज वेरी वेरी इजी टू ब्रीथ, यू कैन ब्रीथ इजीली। और इसका सबसे प्लस पॉइंट क्या है कि सिंस दिस इज सिल्क, रॉ सिल्क, स्टिल आपके जो लिप्स और आपकी नोज है ना वो प्रॉपर यू नहीं हो रहे लाइक दिस, जो कि बहुत से मास्क एक ड्रॉबैक होता है, उनका एक फ्लॉ होता है। दीज मास्क डोंट हैव दैट फ्लॉ, सो यस दीज आर अमेजिंग as you could see yourself. Second thing is again a mask that is of a cloth that we call jamawar. So yes, this is the second face mask, and I'm sure you can get your customized ones as well. आपको जिस कपड़े का चाहिए, आपको जिस स्टाइल का चाहिए, you can get it from her. Nothing is visible again from this mask as well. तो जी yeah, this is light on the pocket and at the same time this is trendy. So this was the second mask. Moving towards the third one, we have this leather का mask, and here we go. अंदर उन्होंने काफी सॉफ्ट फैब्रिक यूज किया हुआ है। सो हियर वी गो। Another very plus point that I have observed in all the masks, that it gives you a very proper shape. It gives a very proper shape on the same area it is needed. क्योंकि आपके सर्जिकल मास्क होते हैं उसमें यू कैन सी कि आपको खुद उसकी यूं करके उसकी एक नोक बनानी होती है ताकि आपको एक अट्रैक्टिव शेप मिले, but these masks are already doing the job. A plus plus. My most favorite one, tada! Again, this is a very soft fabric both inside and out. So let's see. To attend some party or some wedding ceremony or whatsoever, you want to look modern and you want to look decent at the same time, and you are wearing black or golden maybe, this mask is a go-go. Embroidered very 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 neatly and a very nice and a very fine finishing. I absolutely loved them like anything, all of them. So yes, this was the last mask. And then she has also sent my way this beautiful band with beautiful ribbon. So yes guys, these are the beautiful face masks that यार masks से नहीं निकलना मुंह से। These are the beautiful face masks that she sent my way, and yeah, you can get them customized according to your choices, according to your preferences, including the fabric and design and embroidery and plain or whatsoever. Whatever your choices, you can keep it that way. And also you can get the bands for yourself. So yes, this was the review of the day, and thank you so very much. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.